Hello friends, welcome back. See this table salesman. This table salesman has three columns: name, city and number of sales. Now see this row. This row specifies that Alex has done 22 sales in city AC. And this row specifies that Alex has done 10 sales in city AD. And this row specifies that Alex has done 12 sales in city MD. And this row specifies that Alex has done 4 sales in city GD. So the maximum number of sales done by Alex is 22 and it is in city AC. So I have to write a query to get the maximum number of sales done by salesman Alex, right? So how I will write query for this? First I will write select, and then I will use a function max. It is for maximum, right? So in this function, in parenthesis, I'll write the name of column number of sales as an input parameter, right? Because I want the maximum value for the number of sales, right? Where the name of a salesman is Alex, right? So for that I will write query like this, select, and I will use this function max, and in this function the input parameter is column name number of sales, and then I will write the from clause. In from clause I will specify the name of table, that is salesman, and then I'll write where clause. In where clause I will specify the condition that name should be Alex, right? Because I want the maximum number of sales which are done by Alex, right? So after executing this query, I will get this result. The result is 22, right? So the maximum number of sales done by Alex is 22. Suppose I want that minimum number of sales which are done by Alex. So here in same query, in place of function max, I will have to use the function min. If I use this function min, then what will happen? I will get the minimum number of sales which are done by salesman whose name is Alex. So after executing this query, I will get the result 4, right? So what happens here? The result is 4. It means the minimum number of sales done by Alex is 4, right? Now I want minimum number of sales done by each salesman along with its name, right? So what I need to do after this keyword select, right? So in a select clause I will have to write the name of column name, right, comma, and then I will use this function min, right, and input parameter of this function min is name of column number of sales, and after that I will write from clause. In from clause I will write the name of table salesman, right, and then I will write the clause group by, right, and in this clause I will write the name of column name, because I want I want the name of all salesmen along with the minimum number of sales which they have done, right? So in this case, as we have done in previous tutorial also, we used a group by clause, right? So here also I will use this clause group by, right? So see what happened. I have got the result, the name of all salesmen along with the minimum number of sales which they have done, right? If I want the name of all salesmen along with the maximum number of sales which they have done, So what will happen in place of this function men, I will use the function max, right? Then after executing this query, what I get? I will get the name of all salesmen along with the maximum number of sales which they have done.